Julie here. Welcome to Artful Stars at Home. Here your child can join in with lots of fun art activities whilst at the same time learning about the works of famous artists from around the world. They can choose which lessons they would like to do. It might be drawing, painting, printing or 3D model building. There are 3 lessons based on each artist and they can be completed in any order. Once you buy a lesson, it will be available forever. Your child can complete the activity on their own or with friends and family. Younger children will benefit from some assistance depending on their ability. Even grown-ups will enjoy taking part. There are 2 free lessons for your child to enjoy and new activities are being added every week. All ages and abilities can enjoy the lessons and your child can follow the simple step-by-step video tutorials and watch and pause the videos as many times as they like. But there's not just videos included. They will have access to files that include photos of the artist's work and information about the artist's life, giving them an insight into the art movement that has inspired the lesson. There are no set rules needed to be able to complete the artwork. They're an informative basis in which your child can be inspired. They may want to alter the steps to create a piece in their own way, and this is great. There are no rights or wrongs with art. Everyone has their own style, which is why it benefits children greatly to be inspired by the work of other artists. Let them develop their own style. At the end of every lesson, your child will have a completed work of art. The activities only require materials you will most likely already have at home, so there's no expensive layout needed before your child begins. The list of materials needed are available to view before you decide to buy the lesson. So why not let your child choose one of the free lessons and join the Artful Stars Club. Bye for now.